Hello, you're welcome. Our topic today is can, may, and must. These are modal verbs. Let us examine the difference between them and how to use them correctly in sentences. Okay, we use can to express ability. If you have what it takes to do something, it means you can do it. That is ability. Can is also used to express permission, but that is informal. It may also be used to express possibility when you are certain about something happening. We use may to express permission. So when you want to seek for permission or request for something politely, use may. We also use may to express possibility. So when you want to express something that you are not certain if it will happen, use may. That shows possibility. We use must to express obligation. Obligation or rule. So when it is a rule or obligation, it means it is necessary. So it is used to express necessity. Also, we use must to express conclusion. When you have concluded on something, use must. Now, let's use this information to answer these questions. 1. You blank wear a uniform to school. What should be the correct answer? Can, may, or must. This sentence expresses a rule. It is a rule to wear uniform to school. So this is must. You must wear a uniform to school. 2. Blank, I use your phone, please. This is permission. Seeking for permission to use the phone. For permission, use may. May I use your phone, please? 3. She blank swim very well. This is expressing one's ability to swim. So this is about ability. For ability, use can. She can swim very well. 4. It's blank rain later today. This is about possibility. It is possible that it will rain today. Not certain, but it is possible. So the correct answer is may. It may rain later today. 5. You blank not touch that wire. It is dangerous. This sentence expresses prohibition. That means it is a rule not to touch the wire because it is dangerous. So this is about a rule. To express rule, use must. You must not touch that wire. It is dangerous. 6. Students blank submit their assignments before Friday. What does this sentence express? It shows obligation. It is something that the students have to do. So must is the right word to use. Students must submit their assignments before Friday. 7. Blank, I come in, sir. What do you think about this one? This is a formal permission. Formal permission. Having sir here shows that it is formal. So the right modal verb to use is may. May I come in, sir? 8. He blank speak 3 languages. This is talking about one's ability to speak 3 languages. So this is all about ability. So to express ability, use can. He can speak 3 languages. 9. You blank see a doctor. You look very sick. Here it is about necessity. That means it is necessary to see a doctor since you look very sick. So to express necessity, use must. You must see a doctor. You look very sick. 10. We blank leave now or we will miss the bus. What does this sentence express? This is still about necessity. Necessity. It is necessary that we leave now so we will not miss the bus. So we use must to express something that is very necessary. 11. She looks very happy. She blank have passed the exam. Here it's all about my conclusion. I feel that the happiness is based on the fact that she has passed her exam. So this is about conclusion. So if you are expressing conclusion, use must. 12. Anyone blank make mistakes. Here we are talking about ability. Everyone has what it takes to make a mistake. So it is a very strong possibility for everyone to make mistake. Can is the correct modal verb to use. Anyone can make mistakes. 13. Blank, I ask you a question. This sentence expresses polite request, requesting for permission to ask a question. So this is about polite request or permission. So the correct modal verb to use is may. May I ask you a question? 14. You blank not park here. It is prohibited. When you are talking about prohibition, it means it is a rule. Okay? It is a rule not to do that. So to express a rule, use must. You must not park here. It is prohibited. 15. It blank be true, but I'm not completely sure. What do you think about this one? It is all about possibility. It is possible to be true, but I am not completely sure. So this is about possibility. So the correct modal verb is may. Please make your own sentence in the comment section using can, may, or must. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next grammar lesson.